how to change your primary payout method on TikTok. Before we do that, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So first you need to open your TikTok and log into your account. Then you have to come to your profile. From here, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right and open your settings and privacy. And at the very top under account section, you can see this balance option right here. And it will show you your balance on TikTok. So here you can, if you already have balance and you want to withdraw, you can see the withdraw option right here. After you tap on withdraw, it will take you to a different website where you have already added your payment method. Then you just tap on the payment method and change it and select the payment method of your preference. And that's how you change your primary payout method on TikTok. I hope you found the video helpful. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.